I'd like to introduce you to the team. It's not going forward. Can I get someone to click it through? So Sean, myself, and Jason, we hacked code this weekend. Simon did us a great logo. And Yolani, Sam, Eamon, and Chris, they all got out there and they spoke to users for us. So you go on Facebook to socialize with your friends, but where do you meet new people with common interests? Well, we only had the weekend, so we decided, all right, let's build a channel for getting users. So how do we get users? So to get users, we basically get them to set goals and get their friends to keep them accountable. So that way we know what are they interested in, what are they working towards, and who do they want to find those goals with. So initially, we're just targeting individuals, and we want to see how people use the app. And then based on that, we're going to iterate and then target down. But in the longer term, we can see it so that employers will use it to help set goals for their employees, and parents to keep their children accountable. Next slide.
So who are our competitors? Well, at the moment, there's really only Goal Diaries available and online forums, but there's no way of connecting you with your friends to share your goals. There's also no physical reward. So what we're bringing in is a way to connect and have verbal motivation from your friends and family, and also meeting new communities, as well as putting it with a physical form. So you can give some a gift for maybe a dinner, things like that, to help motivate people and keep you on track. So we've already got quite a few suppliers on board. We've got cafes, restaurants, retailers, day spa that are interested. It's a low risk, so we're expecting to see a lot more interest past a weekend. So the customer's able to go on to the website and organise what they'd like to have, either a gift for themselves or their friends.
So receiving positive feedback and rewards, that's really powerful. So we wanted to test that out. So we went and spoke to people at Startup Weekend, and 24 people said, if we win, they'd buy us a coffee, but if they win, we'll buy them a coffee. But there were 4 people who went up for supporting us with that, and their names were... Actually, we really value your privacy.
So we went out into Rundle Mall and spoke to 131 people, as well as talking to people on social media. So the general consensus is that we are looking for a goal-setting type app. We've also seen that, very next slide, that although people want to set goals, they're not always following through, and this is where the app would come in handy so that you can help encourage and actually follow through with what you've set up. So when we asked and explained the app to them, we had 83% of people saying yes, we'll sign up. So just to confirm what we've already said, that verbal recognition is the top motivator for people. So verbal recognition on the app will be able to comment, you can challenge people and give feedback, as well as the money and physical reward. The physical reward in the form of a gift. So we've covered all the bases here, whether you've got physical and verbal as well. Are you comfortable with sharing with your friends and family? Almost 90% of people say yes. So there's the opportunity to keep your goals private, but also to share them and get that support from close friends, but also a community as well, like Startup.
So what did we do this weekend? We went and spoke to 133 people to get their opinions. We also spoke to other Startup Weekend participants to validate that there was actual value in being able to challenge someone to achieving a goal. We built an MVP for the website, which I'll run you through in a second, and we've built an iPhone app. We've also done a brand, and we've had 17 users sign up since 3 a.m. this morning for our LaunchRock page. So where are our costs? It's like any typical Web 2.0 startup. It's really all in the scaling of the servers and getting the tech development done. So how do we make money? Well, initially, by taking a commission on all rewards that are purchased through the reward shop when people complete their goals. But in the longer term, the value is in the data. So by knowing what people want to achieve, that's really valuable. So whether it's the government wanting to know, well, what do people want to achieve, but what are they missing out on? Or whether it's businesses wanting to know, like, what do our consumers want? What problems do they have? So just running you through quickly, on the left, I've got my goals, so I can complete them or cancel them. But when I cancel, you get an email going, hey, Ben just reneged, and that's really powerful.